How Amazon sellers make over 100k US dollar per month in sales. Yes, I'm not joking, they make it.
And what tool to use or avoid. First of all, to be honest with you guys, I don't sell on Amazon.
Idiot.
Then why you are making this video? Wasting our time? No, I didn't mean to waste your time, guys. Actually, I can't afford the investment Amazon sellers do. Then who cares your advice, man, if you didn't even experience yourself 100k per month? Go and take rest. You know nothing.
Hey, what you doing with him? Don't make him nervous now. If he knows something, let him speak, and if you like, only then apply to your business. Mr. X, anyone can't do each business of the world. So take it easy.
Thanks for your support, bro.
Oh, it's okay, mention not.
Obviously, I did some research and then going to tell my humble opinion to the audience. Now let's just come back to the topic, how Amazon sellers make over 100k sales per month. It was easy when there was little competition, but now competition is on peak. Like now, if you will search women bags on Amazon, you will get 100k results, which is surprising number. If you search laptop bags on Amazon, then there are 20,000 results, which is also in high competition and getting its peak levels. And what if we search gaming chairs on Amazon? It's having 1,000 results. It's high investment product, and of course, it's still in high competition. Then how Amazon sellers make over 100k US dollar sales a month? You tell, you started the video. What they do then? They do FBA product customization. Like if something's selling good on Amazon, they come up with the same but improved version of the product, and that's what you have to do if you want to start selling on Amazon.
Always go for research, market evaluation, and then source your product. Ship it to Amazon warehouse to let your product automatically ship to your customers by Amazon.
90% of Amazon customers trust fulfilled by Amazon products, so don't hesitate to send your inventory to Amazon warehouse. You both guys are not telling them what tool to use or avoid.
If you want to research products on Amazon, then 𝗑𝗲𝗃𝗂𝗪, 𝗑𝗑𝗫, Helium 10, and AMG Scout are good. And if you want to do keyword research, then 𝗑𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗪 is good. For product launches, viral launch is good.
It's hard to use all those tools because they all are paid and can break your cash flow. On the other hand, it's easy if you just use Helium 10. Helium 10 has all the features like product research, niche selection, keyword research, trend research, listing optimization, competitor analysis, search engine optimization, Amazon PPC management, inventory management, product validation, fraud protection, refund management, landing pages, sales analytics, email automation, listing hijacking protection.
And the more cool thing is exclusive tools. Those are not available elsewhere in the market like Frankincense, Cerebro, Magneto, Scribbles.
But on the other hand, it's expensive also for those fruitful features. So we request them discount for our audience. And guess what? They offer 20% discount to our audience for the first 6 months on Platinum or Diamond plan. So please check out the Helium 10 giveaway link in the video description below to sign up now. It's my referral link. It will never extra cost to you. In fact, you will get bonuses through my link, right? If you like, you can join it without my affiliate link. I'll never mind. But if you will join it with my link, I'll appreciate your support to my content.
This is all what you need to build, maintain, and grow your Amazon FBA business. And then you can also make over 100k sales per month.
I hope we explain how you can lead your Amazon FBA business to the next level by putting your unique ideas into current selling products to get your unbeatable unique product.
I hope you guys will like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button, and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future.
If you do have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.